Okay, so just up in this roof, pulling all the bats out. So as you can see, up that way, I've already done all those bays there. But over here, I just got to this bay here, and I just wanted to show you something, because this is rats building nice little insulated homes in fiberglass bats. People say that they don't, and that, but you can see that bat there's all torn apart, and that one there is nice and good, right? And when I lift this up, see the rat's been climbing in here and climbing in there, and he's built his little burrow in there. He's been living in there, and when we lift this up, that's all the rat poo on the ceiling, where he's been pooing on the ceiling, you know. So probably not a rat, maybe a mouse by the looks of that. We are out in the country, so it could have just been little mice, but you can see there's damage to all the bats. A lot of bats up here because of mice. So there's another little hole there where they've been burrowing in there and building little nests. So it's pretty common in bats for mice to build nice little insulated homes. And so we're going to pull these out, and we'll put in cellulose fibre. And I've never ever seen them build nests in cellulose, because it won't hold up for them to build a nest. All right.